this is an example. The one you are seeing presently on my platform is an example of a simple graphic design. So we are going to create something like this. So what you need to do first is to get a new design style. So you get it by clicking on file. When you click on your file button, you see create new design. So you click on the create new design, then it will display a lot of style for you. So do you want your design in an Instagram post or your story or flyer? So in order not to waste our time, let's just do an Instagram post frame. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will give you the space station to work with. So I've given you a space station to work with. Now it will bring out a template. You can pick from template, or if you wish to design your own template, but let's pick from already installed template. So let's just click on this first template. And if you look, you have the carousel, you have different menu, happy birthday, you have different template for different presentation. You have the quote. When you click, it gives you different, the birthday, do you know, so many templates you can pick for. You have the motivational quote too, real estate. So let's just use this first one. So we click on this. So I don't want the carousel. It's giving you double because if you want to make it a carousel, but I don't want the carousel. So I just click on one of the templates. You can see automatically it has replaced the white workstation. So now you can now do your editing. So first of all, maybe you want to put your picture, you don't want this picture, so you just click on it, click on the picture. Now you can delete the picture. Now you can see the picture is no one there. Then now you can import your picture if not you don't have it saved on your Canva app. But if you have it saved on your Canva app, what you need to do is to go to your upload. There you can see I have a lot of save pictures and logo. So I'll just go and click on one of my picture. Once I click it, so when you click on it and see it's automatically display on the workstation. So now if you don't want you can see I double click twice, so it's giving me two duplicates of the picture. So you just have to delete one, then you just make use of one. Now you don't want the background color of this picture. You can actually remove your background color. All you need to do is to go to BG remover. You go to your BG remover here, you click on it. So automatically clear the background of this picture and make it plain white to give you a plain white background. Yeah, so you can see we've gotten a plain white picture background. So you adjust it as you want it to be adjusted. Yeah, so you can also edit this word if you don't need it, but looking at the word, it's fine by me. So all what I need is just to put an heading. So what do I know how to go about putting an heading? You go to your text, you click on the text, click on the text. Now you click on add heading. Automatically it bring an heading to the workstation. So you just move your heading upward. You just move your heading up. It's important to click on it so that you'll be able to capture and move it to the desired place you want it to be. Sorry. So you move it up. You can easily adjust how you want your picture, your settings to be. So now I can just add an heading and put product manager. So this actually tell the viewer that okay, the picture of this lady you're seeing is a product manager, or okay, this is a. It can also say tell the viewer, the audience, that the target audience, that okay, this is actually a design from a project manager. So whatever you design, how to depict what your target audience needs to gain from it, needs to what you're presenting to your target audience. So they need to understand why the graphic, why you have designed this. So now my design this is to let them know that okay, I'm trying to bring out a quote from a product manager, and this is the product manager. The picture of the product manager is already there. So I want this in a slant format. So what you need to do is just to click on this edge and make it more slanted. Okay, if it's not, you just have to increase the size by going, this is the font size, so you can increase it to 40. If it's still small, you go back, increase it to 45. You click on enter, so it's now looking a bit bigger. Then if you don't want the color, you can change the color of the font text color to maybe a desirable color, or you can form your color templates. So you click on, I wanted this color, so I click on it, and I want it bold. I click on bold. So it's bold. Also, you can add effect and animation to this picture. For example, I want an animation to this picture, and now when you go, it will pop up the animation setting. So I want my picture to come in a whip slide format, or I want it in an old TV style. Then how should it enter? Is it on entered? I want it, or on exit. So you just fine tune it on how you want it, and how do you want the speed of the animation. Is it very fast or very slow? So you take control of it with this. So you can also add animation to your text, your words. Now I can want it to come out in shift form or in ascend order. So you can see the effects of anyone I click in. So that is it. Do I want it in line? Or in words? So anyone you want, just fine tune it here. You can also add effect to it. Now your word, how do you want it to appear? I can click on hollow and it has changed it totally. I can click on spice, it also changed it. So let's keep it at this. So now after you're through with it, you can close this. You can resize it if you feel that it's too big or it's too small or it won't fit your Instagram post. You will click on resize and click on what do you want it on a Facebook post landscape, or you still want to maintain your Instagram post or Instagram story. So let's still maintain Instagram post, and you just copy and resize. So you have it. You can open it, the Instagram post, because you can open it from, you open your Instagram post, you open it here, and it will give you another window for it. So now you can go ahead and publish this. If you want to publish it, you click on the share button. So just click on it. Either you download, you public view, link it, or make it a branded template. From the template you pick from, these are people work. So if you also want to make yours a branded template on Canva, that when people log in and want to a template, they can also use yours. So that is a brand template. So when you click on these three buttons, you see more things how you can save your design, your graphic design. So I just want to download it. So I'll just go back to this, then click on download. Now, how do you want it? Because I have added animation to it and effect. So MP video will be so that by the time you play it, you will be able to see the animations you have added to it. So now it's downloading it, saving and downloading it for you. I keep emphasizing it is important to have a good network. The strength of your network must be good. So now I just save it on my download. If I don't want to save it on my, I can just save it directly on my desktop. So I'll just save it this way and click save. Now it's saved. Now you can minimize this and go to your desktop and play it so you can see the animation effect of it. So now play with VLC Media Player because you make it a video format. So you can see how you can see the display. Let's play it again. See, you can see. So that's it. So thanks for watching. You can comment on this, or if you have found it,